everyone, it's Muriel. I am creating some embellishments. I thought I would just come on and show you embellishments like these here. I am using folded paper that I've taken downstairs and sewn, and just some texture with some chipboard pieces. And this spider here is from the Dollar Tree, and I just put a lot of glossy accent on them. So I thought I would go ahead and turn the camera on because I'm getting ready to create another one, and I would take you with me. So here is the piece of paper from the Prima collection. I got this in a D-stash a couple of years ago, or maybe even last year, that I've taken downstairs to the sewing machine and stitched. And then I have this piece of trim from a Dollar Tree, I believe, or JC Penn or Joann, sorry, that I'm going to just kind of glue down just to kind of give this some texture. I need to put my finger on. Where's my finger at? Because I don't want to get burned with this. I made a couple of these yesterday, and I woke up this morning and I just trying to go through my stash, so I thought just make a few more. There you go. Just gonna leave that like that. And then I have the glue strands. Then I have this chipboard piece from the Hey Pumpkin collection. I have this broom. And I have these pumpkins from the Dollar Tree sticker. So I was thinking of putting that there, and that there. So let me just kind of, something else I want to do to keep this flat. I have some, what is this? Some felt. And this is some really stiff felt. And I kind of want to lay a piece like that. So I'm going to kind of cut this down some. Maybe cut that piece off. Because I don't want this to buckle or bend, and it kind of feels like it wants to. So I'm just going to put a strip of glue like that. There we go. Okay, I'm going to turn that over. I'm going to use my broom here, don't care. But before I do that, I think I want to put some pom-pom trim. And I have some, I think I got some pom-pom trim, I think, on this here. I don't want to use this big trim, but I had some smaller trim because these are really big and fat. And I don't want that. I know I have some smaller ones if I can't find it right yet. I know I had it yesterday. Okay, well maybe it was in this batch. Let's see, because I only used a piece of it. It was really, it was white and it was very, very small. Probably not. Oh well. Well, I could. Oh my gosh, where's the piece at? Is it stuck on here? Oh my goodness. Oh, it is stuck on here. I'm sorry, you guys. There it is. So maybe just the white. I'll just cut a piece off. We'll just go with it. So what I'm going to do is that like that. So I'm going to cut that off here. There we go. It's so sticky on the back, so. Okay, let's get some glue on this. Yeah, anytime you're doing a live tutorial, for me, it's just a hot mess. Okay, so we're going to put this like right here. Broom here, don't care. And then I have this sticker from the Dollar Tree sticker pack, and I just glued a wooden pumpkin behind it, and it still has that sticky there. And I want to kind of just lay it like right here, and then put my broom right here. So I'll get the broom down first. Gonna get it kind of flat. Put some glue on this, and then like so. Okay. And let's go ahead and put this, some glue on here. I'll just put some here just in case it sticks, but it probably won't. Okay. Make sure that's, there we go. Let's see here. Let's get this off. Okay, so there is that one. Broom hair, don't care. And I have another one over here. That, let's see here. Oh, come off. I stick them on there just to get an idea of what I want, and then they're hard to come off. So I'm going to use another piece of this glitter ribbon. This is some Kirkland Signature glitter ribbon that I bought at the warehouse. And I have so much of it. I've just used this little piece. But look at this. This is just, yeah, I'm sure I bought it. I don't think this is one. Sometimes I see this at the thrift stores. It's just so much. I don't know what Costco think we're going to use all that ribbon. But, okay, so I'm going to turn this over and do the same thing with a stiff piece of the felt. Just to keep it, you know, as straight as possible. I'm going to cut a piece of that like so. And then I'm going to measure about where that is. And then glue it from tip to tip. Okay. And then I have moi. Is that what that says? And now I'm like, where is my pom-pom trim? Because I really, really want it now. And I could have sworn it was on here. I don't want to use this big fat pom-pom again. Ah, glory. Here we go. Found it. It was in there. Okay, so this is what I want to do. I'm going to lay this down like this. Again, this chipboard piece is very sticky. So then I'm going to cut it here. Try to stay in frame. Sorry, you guys. And then this piece, I'm going to do like this. I'm so glad today is a day of labor. Because I'm really trying to get lots of paper crafting in. We're going to go on vacation in 2 weeks. And then I want to kind of shift my focus to the craft fair at my job. Okay, so we're going to glue that down. Let's get some glue on here. Is this the right side? Yes. Just going to do a little zigzag like that. Put this glitter on here. Okay, and this is just for texture, just layering it up, layering it up, layering it up. And then let's get some glue on this. Okay. And we're going to place that down like so. Hold that there for a second. And then I have these chipboard pieces from the Hey Pumpkin Collection 31. We're going to put those smack dead in the middle, just like so. Just like so. Okay. So let's get this like this. And then this one. Oh, it's so sticky. So, okay. Then I have this adorable little cat that I want to put somewhere. I think I'll put him on the tail end. Yeah. Let's stick him right there. Just with a little glue. Just like so. And then I'm going to take my powder shaker and just kind of de-sticky the opposite side there. Okay. So there is my third one. So I hope you guys kind of get the idea, and I've seen this done many a time on folks' channel, but these are really simple to do. You basically just kind of wing it. You just go with it. Don't think twice, and you just can make some beautiful embellishments just using what you have in your stash. So thanks for watching, you guys. Bye now.